Hi there, welcome to Chrono AI. How can I assist you today?
Do you guys have some vegetarian options?
Yes, we do have vegetarian options. For example, you can try our vegetarian enchiladas, which come with cheese, guacamole, and refried beans. We also have other customizable dishes where you can choose vegetarian-friendly ingredients. Let me know if you'd like more details.
Yeah, what is the best dish you have?
One of our most popular dishes is the chilaquiles mountain. It's made with house-made corn tortilla chips bathed in your choice of salsa green tomatillo, tart and acidic, or red Roma, savory and sweet. It's topped with fresh Mexican crema, queso fresco, and your choice of protein. It's served with avocado and pureed black beans. You can also opt for vegetarian or halal options. Another favorite is the Como y Canela platter, which includes enchiladas, Mexican red rice, refried beans, guacamole, and corn tortillas. It's hearty and flavorful with halal options available. Let me know if you'd like to try one of these or need more recommendations.
When do you guys open?
We are open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Let me know if you'd like to make a reservation or need any further assistance.
Yeah, I would like to make a reservation.
Great. Could you please tell me your name?
Yeah, it's Krishn.
Thank you, Creation. How many people will the reservation be for, and what date and time would you like?
No, it's not creation, it's Krishna.
Apologies for the mix-up, Krishna. How many people will the reservation be for, and what date and time would you like?
Yeah, it would be 5 people.
Thank you, Krishna. What date and time would you like to make the reservation for?
Let's do it for 27 February at 3 p.m.
Let me check the availability for 5 people on the 27th of February at 3 p.m. Unfortunately, 3 p.m. is not available on February 27th. However, we do have availability at 4 p.m., 5 p.m., and 6 p.m. Which time works best for you?
Maybe 6 p.m. is better.
Got it, 6 p.m. on February 27th. Could you please provide your email address to finalize the reservation? Please spell it out for accuracy.
Alright, so it's krishnpmishra@gmail.com.
Thank you. Just to confirm, your email is krishnpmishra@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Do you have any special requests or occasions you'd like us to note for your reservation?
Yeah, it's my friend's birthday.
Got it. Let me finalize your reservation for 5 people at 6 p.m. on February 27th for your friend's birthday. One moment, please. Your reservation for 5 people at 6 p.m. on February 27th has been successfully booked, Krishna. We'll make sure to celebrate your friend's birthday. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
No, thank you. I don't need any help.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you on February 27th.
So the demo you just saw was for an Italian-based restaurant named Komal by Canela. And if you are a restaurant business owner looking for AI voice agents for your business as well, this video will be perfect for you. So today I'm going to show you and teach you how you can build a restaurant voice agent, a customer support restaurant voice agent in just minutes. And if you want to know in detail with every single step included, do watch this video till the end. So if you are new to this video, hey, my name is Krishn. I am founder and CEO of Chrono AI, my own AI automation agency, in which we help business owners integrate AI systems into their business, whether it be AI chatbot or AI voice agent. You name it, we have it. So if you want these AI automation systems for your business, do check out the link in the description. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. So before moving further, let's understand what are the benefits of these AI voice agents if you have it in your restaurant. So first is it can handle many calls at once. So if you have a human staff, how many they can handle? one or two maybe at one time. If you have many, they can handle 5 to 10 calls at a time, but it can handle multiple calls at a time, no matter it's 30, 50, no matter how many. Now, next, it is available 24/7, no matter it's your open times or off times. It can be there forever, whenever your customer needs it. The third is table bookings without the hassle. So as you saw in the demo, it is booking the reservation very easily. And if you have it in your restaurant will most probably be full out. The next is lead collection and CRM integration. So it can collect the information of your customer and store it in the CRM easily. Okay, so I haven't shown you the database. So yeah, as you can see there is my name, email, the number of person which I set to the agent, and the special occasion. Before that was all the testing which I done, and as you can see all the entries it has done here very, very perfectly. Now this can also be done for your business as well. Every detail which is coming from the caller, which will be stored into the CRM, there are very little chances that the human staff will fail because of the hurry or because of any reason it can be. But this will, without a fail, store every information without a doubt. And the last is better business insight. Well, there are more, but these are some common benefits that your business are going to be having. Better business insights. AI keeps track of all customer data, call data, popular reservation times, common customer questions, and more, giving you valuable insights to optimize your operations and marketing. So it is self-explanatory that everything about your business, all the insights will be in your CRM, will be in your AI agent, and you are going to be having them on your fingertips. Okay, now that we have understood the benefits of AI voice agent, now let's understand the flow of it. Now as you can see that the agent starts and it greets them and get their first name, like, hey, it's Angel from Komalwai, Canada, how can I help you? And it listens to the query. And there are 3 types of query which can come from the other person. First, if they want to know about the dishes and what's the special and the general question, and if it is that kind of query, it is going to search the knowledge base and it is going to provide the answer based on that. And if they want to know about anything else, it is going to go back on knowledge base and it is going to find an answer which is close to the answer if their query is somewhat different, and it is going to provide the answer closely to that of the agent. Now if they want customer support, like what are the times when your restaurant is open, the agent is still going to provide the answer from the knowledge base. So both are the same flows, but somewhat they are different. It is about the dishes and it is about the customer support. And if they want to book a reservation, like I did, so like if I want to book a reservation, then the agent will collect their name, number of people, booking date, time, and any special occasion. It will store their information and then it is going to check the availability. Now if the time is available, it is going to say to that, like, great, this time is available in our time slot. And if it is not available, like I have shown you that it is not available type of flow on intention, like you have a clear idea that if a time slot is not available, what the agent is going to do, it is going to give them the alternative time and it is going to ask them, like, we are not available on this time, do you want to book on some other time? And I chose the 6 p.m. time available slot. So that's how it is done. Then it is going to collect their email and phone if you want to, and it is going to send them an email including all the details, and their reservation or appointment will be booked. And as I shown you Here all the information are and the table is booked. Now we have understood the flow of this. Now we are going to be going on the platforms which we are using, and we are going to be using two platforms on the main. The first is Retell AI and the second is Make.com. Retell AI is going to be where we are going to be building all the infrastructure of this AI voice agent, and in the Make.com we are going to be building the functions of it. Now this is Retell AI, and if you don't know what Retell AI is one of the best platform out there right now, which provides you the AI voice infrastructure and it lets you to create AI voice agents with these. Now what you have to do, you have to go just in the description and you will find a link there. When you will click on it, you will be redirected on the sign up page. With sign up page, this one. So you just have to click on try for free, or if you already have an account, just click on login and you will be on this interface, your agents one. Now in this AI agent 2, you will be needing three things: phone number, knowledge base, and your agent itself. Now if you want to add a phone number, you can go here, click on plus phone number and connect your number via SIP, or you can also buy a new number. You just have to put your phone number, termination URL, SIP trunk username and password, click on save and you are done. When you are going to be adding a knowledge base, which is a next important thing, you just have to go there, click on plus and give it a name, and you can add a web page, you can upload files, you can add text normally. So if you want to add a link, which I added, of Komal by Canela, so you just have to go onto your website, which is this. Remember the home page, not the sub page. You just have to copy this and you have to go here, click on plus, enter name, and just click on add web pages, add link URL, save, and you have to select all the sitemaps which is going to be attached. If you will not add the home page, then you will not be having all the pages which is attached to the main file or main page. So just click on select all and click save. So I have already done it here, so I will not add more. So you can just add the knowledge base like that. Now you will go just on agents and click create on new agent. You have to click on multi-prompt agent and you can choose a custom made template, but we are building from scratch, so that's why we will click on start from blank. But as I already have built one, so I will explain you that. Now this is the agent dashboard where we create our agent, and if I will explain you, like this is role, task and specifics. Role is where you are explaining what the agent is. On the task, you are explaining what task it has to do, like ask for their name, run check table availability. If the time is outside your operating hour, remind the customer of our hours, like this one. You can read it, the system prompt, and there is specifics of what is have to do, what it doesn't have to do, and there is example of a conversation, like how the conversation should go on, like that. And there is functions. You can add a function which is just a basic function, because in detail we are going to be understanding it in the prompt tree, but there are some basic functions like end call, transfer call. There is knowledge base. You can add the knowledge base from here. Just click on plus and Komal by Canela and it can be added. Because it is already added, I will not do that. Then there is speech setting. You can play with the speech setting, like how fast it should speak, it should respond, and what will be the background sound and all of that. I will not go in detail, because if you want to learn in detail, you can check the video in the I button. I have explained you everything there. You can master Retell AI from there. And on the right side, you can just test your AI agent. You can either test it with voice. If you want to just test the functions, you can test the LLM. And now let's go to edit prompt tree and understand all of the functions which are in this AI voice agent. So there are basically only two states here, and if you are thinking like why it is not some complex one, because if you will do it complex, it will create hallucination for your AI agent. So I will recommend you to make just a short one, so your agent can understand it very easily. Now if you go on here, this state is for checking time availability, and when we will be understanding the automation flow, you are going to be having a more clarity to this automation flow and the function. Here you can see the prompt, the system prompt of this specific function, and then there is tools, which is the very important part of your function, because all the information goes here, like the name, description, the webhook URL, which webhook I am going to explain you just in a while, and the JSON. If you freak out, don't worry, it is just basic one. First you can explain the type, which is an object, and the object is a property, and the properties are time and their types as well, and their description, and what is required. So the time is required here, so I am going to go according to that. And then there is edge, so this is going to be taking the time and the name, the time and the number of person and any special occasion if they have. And according to the edge, because in the book table we need the time and the all the information from here, so we are going to be placing the JSON here as well, and we are going to be specifying the condition when the user has chosen his preferred date and time, transfer to this state. Now this state books the table reservation. Like if you see that there is a customer has expressed interest in reserving a table, the AI voice agent will guide the customer through the reservation to ensure all the necessary details are captured. So as you can see, what is this prompt about? This prompt is about getting their email and getting their preferred date and time and booking a table. So you can read the prompt, and then there is custom functions like book a table, book the table through given date and time, webhook URL, and the parameters. And down here you can also see the store lead function, which is going to be storing the lead in this database. And then there is this JSON. Now that we have understood the agent, how it is built and how it works, now let's go on to the make.com scenarios. If you have any doubt, don't worry, just comment down below and I will give you the answer to your question. Now let's move on to make.com. So as you can see that this is the check availability flow. So this is what the webhook I am talking about. You just have to add a module and add a webhook, custom webhook, and then you have to choose any of the webhooks and copy the address and go into prompt tree, go into your state and paste it here, and your webhook will be here. So we don't need that, so we will delete it. And this is the automation flow. Let me explain you what it is. First, the information will be coming from here and it is going to be going on here, and this OpenAI module, what it is doing, it is converting the time into the 5:30 time zone, which is of India. And as you can see, the user just asked to book a meeting, and you will be provided with current date and time, and you have to output the date in this ISO format because Google Calendar understands the format in this specific format. And then there is Google Calendars module, which is going to check if the available time is available or not. And if that is available, it is going to be going on this path, and it is going to give a response like, yeah, it is available. And if it is not available, it is going to be here. Then it is going to be formatting date into this time, and it is going to check for another available times, and it is going to convert it into a JSON format. And what it is going to, because the Google Calendar will be receiving the Indian time, but it is going to be returning the UTC time. So the OpenAI is converting the UTC time to GMT 5:30, which is Indian time. And then the next one will be find alternative times, and it is going to show what is the available time there is. And in the last OpenAI module, it is going to be generating a message to the user, like as we saw in the demo. And in the last, it is going to be responding with like what are the available times will be. So it is just that. This will also be available to you in the description in the document. Then there is book table. So it is going to be receiving all the available times. Then it is going to be converting that into booking time, and it is going to book the time and send the email, and it is going to be replying with, yeah, your appointment is successfully booked. And this is going to work like that. Alright, so this is the lead capture flow. It is very simple one. So the first is webhook, which is going to be receiving with all the information about the customer, and the second Google Sheet module will be adding the row, which will be here or here or here, depending on what the entry is. And as you can see, all the mappings are done here with the name, email, number of persons, special occasion. If you have more requirements, like if you want to ask more information, you can just add the column here. You can just add them here, and you can just redetermine the data structure, and all the information will be available to you from here. And when you are going to be doing this refresh here, from here or from here, your columns will be available to you here. So this was the AI voice agent for restaurant. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to the channel. If you have any problem, any doubt, any error, just comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you want to master Retell AI, do check out this video. And let's meet in the next video. And remember, it's just getting started.